Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can perform navigation between the screens and pass the data from one screen to next screen. So let's get started. So first you need to add this library for remember navigation controller in Jetpack Compose. Now let me remove the this function, or let's add a new function, composable function. Fun like navigation tutorial you can say. Okay. Now create var NavController. We will remember NavController. Okay. Sorry. Now here you need to define like screens. First you need to define the NavHost. Okay. And then inside it navigation controller. Comma. Okay. You can see here. Okay. Let's add this. Sorry. Now I need to create the home screen and profile screen. Instead of passing the nav controller, I need to create a state hosting use here. Okay. So for example, let's create composable home, sorry, on home screen on home navigate. Okay. Now let's create a column, and let's say modify dot next size. Okay. Since I'm using Mac, so that's why I'm having issue with keys. Okay. Now copy this function, paste this function, or file scan. Okay. Profile. Okay. Go back to home. Okay. Now we need to pass this function on again. Okay. Or if you want to navigate up, then you can use, for example, I'm in home screen, then I need to navigate to profile screen, and instead of navigate back to the profile, oh sorry, home screen, I'm just using navigate up, so it will navigate up the stack. Okay. Okay. And now navigate to home. Okay. Instead of using navigate to home or navigate to profile, we need to use on navigate, so it feels clear. Now we need to call navigation controller tutorial here. Okay. Sorry. Modifier, and checking. Yep. Modifier. So modify. Okay. Let's see parameter here. Okay. Yep. Okay. We need to call navigation to modifier. Okay. So auto committed. Now let's build run this application. We should not pass the NavController to child screen because it will create confusion. Instead of create a lambda function, or you can say high order function to pass the callback to the main screen, this screen. Okay. Home screen, go to file, go to home. Okay. You can see here. Okay. Now let's design it like simply. For example, mm, vertical and center and horizontal. Okay. You need to copy this and you need to pass this here. Okay. Now let's run the application again. You can see here. Okay. Now what if we need to pass the data from one screen to another screen? So it's easy. So let's go to here. We need to pass, let's create like string. Okay. And then string. Okay. Now we do not need here the screen string. So let's remove this. Okay. We need string here. Okay. Let me tell you. On navigate dot invoke its profile. So profile slash 1 to 3. You can say okay. Y screen L. Hmm. Yep. Sorry. Because we need to. You can say okay. Now uh, in this screen, in this here, we need to pass slash. Sorry. Let's say user ID, and we need to pass it here. Let's say ID string. Oops, sorry. We need to print okay. And now we need to cut the ID. So let's say okay, user ID. Okay. Let's say -1. Okay, let's run the application again. So let's see. Oh, sorry. Instead of passing this, you need to like dot navigate, navigate, navigate it. Okay, let's run the application again. You can see here. Okay, instead of using it, let's say user ID. Okay, to make things clear. And backstack. You can see here. Okay, let's run the application again. You can see here.